Incredibly rare three-family opportunity. This home was completely redone from the studs in, everything is new, from top to bottom. All you have to do is come in, live in one unit and rent the others or rent out all three. All units offer 3 bedrooms, a full bath, laundry, modern kitchen, formal dining room and hardwoods. You will not find such an updated, perfectly maintained multifamily in the area. Unfinished basement is a great storage option. All units are individually metered for electric. There is 400 amps coming into the building and each unit has their own 100 amp service plus a separate owner's meter. Roof was done in 2017, along with all the kitchens, all the bathrooms, windows, hardwood and tile flooring, appliances, central air conditioning, heat, and each unit has their own private porch. This is your chance to bring in a second source of income. Call today. Walk uptown, great location. You will not be disappointed. Property is currently fully occupied.